How to disable shuffle play on a Spotify. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to disable shuffle play on a Spotify is you have to simply go to the your Spotify. You have to open any of the songs that you want to disable the shuffle play. So what you have to do to disable the shuffle play is you have to simply you can see this uh, in the bottom left corner. You can see this two arrow like button. So when you click on this, then it turns green. So what you have to do to disable, and it is if you it turns green, and if you tap on it, then it will means that you have enabled the shuffle play. To disable the shuffle play, you have to again click on this arrow in the bottom right corner, in the bottom left corner, and then it will turns white. So that's basically it, that how you can disable shuffle play on a Spotify. To enable this, you have to again click on this, and it will in the green screen. And to disable this, you have to again click on this button two arrow in the bottom left corner, and it will disable. So that's basically it, that how you can disable the shuffle play on a Spotify. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.